Hey folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are dive deep into the fascinating world of JavaScript, and we are about to uncover the secret of one of its most powerful features, JavaScript Proxy. Whether you are a junior or an expert, this video is your ticket to understanding the magic behind proxies in JavaScript. So grab your favorite coding beverage, hit the like button, and let's embark on this journey through the realm of JavaScript Proxy. Are you ready? Let's roll! A proxy object in JavaScript is used to define custom behavior for fundamental operations such as property lookup, assignment, enumeration, and function invocation. It acts as a wrapper around another object, called the target, and allow you to intercept and manipulate operations performed on the target object. To create a JavaScript proxy, you need two things: a target object and an handler object. The target object is the object you want to wrap with the proxy, while the handler object defines the custom behavior for the proxy. Here is a simple example of creating a proxy. In this example, we define a getTrap in the handler object, which intercepts the property lookup operation and on the target object. When a property is accessed on the proxy object, the getTrap is invoked, and it returns the property value in uppercase if the property exists, or a custom message if it doesn't. Then we define a setTrap, which intercepts a property set. If the property name is name or surname, calculate the full name and set the target object with the right values. But if you try to set the full name property, the code raises an error. Let's see some use case for proxies in JavaScript. First, validation and constraint. Proxies can be used to enforce data validation and constraint when setting properties on an object. For example, you can ensure that the property value is a certain type of or within a specific range. Second, login and profiling. Proxies can be used to log and profile operation performed on an object, which can be helpful during debugging and performance analysis. And there you have it, folks. We've uncovered the immense power of JavaScript proxies. I hope this video has left you with a better understanding of how to harness proxies in your project. Remember, like any magical tool, practice makes perfect. So don't be afraid to experiment, create, and innovate with proxies in your own code. That's where the real learning happens. If you enjoy this video and want to continue exploring the JavaScript world, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell. You'll be the first to know when we conjure up more captivating content for developers just like you. As always, I appreciate your support and enthusiasm. Until next time, happy coding. Bye bye!